this morning I made coffee, and it's time to use these coffee grounds and turn them into a beautiful exfoliant so that we have less waste. We will be lucky if we get through this video without a cat eating it. To start, we are going to take the coffee grounds from in here, and we're going to dump them all into here, into our mason jar. Get a little bit more of a close-up on this. So this is just about 2 cups. Right after you're done dumping the coffee grounds into your mason jar, then time to add the coconut oil. What I will say is that the filter that we use is compostable, and so we literally just kind of put them into our freezer until we can get them to the garden. Today, because it was just me and my man having just a cup of coffee, we had about, a fluffy half a cup of grounds ready to go. And so I'll probably use another half a cup, maybe a little bit more of coconut oil. Let's see how it turns out. And really, you can add as much or as little as you like. I've used coffee grounds straight up to exfoliate in the shower, but I think it's even better when you use coconut oil. Okay, y'all, so here's our finished product. I'm gonna just toss it in the refrigerator because I like it to set up a bit more. At the end, after you stir it up, it kind of gets a little bit oily, liquidy kind of sensation depending on the temperature in your house. Yes, you can see kitty butt because I gave up. But here is the coconut oil I used. I still have some leftover coffee, so let's see what I do with that.